Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a review on this Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami Micro Speedy Denim Series bag charm. So here she is, and as you guys could see, this is the mini version of a Speedy. So let me just take this one off the purse right here. So I also have here my Speedy Bandolier 25, which I got on my birthday, as well as this beautiful bandeau. The mini Speedy is made up of this denim blue material all around it. It looks like the entire body is made up of denim. Right here, the side corner, on this side, and as you guys could see, this beautiful, lovely embroidered monogram pattern all around it. So the monogram logos were embroidered right here, over here, and this one is made up of one continuous piece of canvas. As you guys could see, that the monogram on this side at the back are upside down, along with the red smiling cherries. I love the combination of the embroidered cherries right here, the denim, so there is a contrast of the monogram logo that was embroidered, really nice combination, and the vachetta leather. Wow, she looks stunning. So this one has those untreated or so-called as a vachetta leather trim right here on the side, and then as well as the strap over here, and then this two-tone handle as well on this side as well right here. They look like, yeah, they look like a fresh vachetta, not the age vachetta leather. On this side, I mean, my favorite part of this bag aside from the cherries is this stripe right here. And then the D-ring has a very shiny gold hardware. It says right here, let me see, it's in this side, it says here Louis Vuitton. The detailed right here, you could feel the ridge of the logo that were stamped. And then this one right here, the snap hook is actually, yeah, you could actually remove this strap just on this side, not both. Right here, which is also in gold hardware, and it says there LV. Let me just put this one back, and also on the other side as well. So the other strap on this side is not removable. It has the same detail right here, Louis Vuitton. Very nice. Okay, so this is how it looks. So let's take a look at the shapes. The shapes is also made up of this vachetta leather, and then we have the rivets right here, the little teeny tiny rivets, and there is no logo in it, nothing were stamped in it. It's plain right here, and also on the other side as well, nothing was written like that. This is so cute. And then the handle, you could fold the handle like that, and then just like that. And then we have a zipper right here. So the zipper pull is also made up of a vachetta leather as well, which this has a gold hardware right here. Okay, it seems like the zipper is smooth. And then let's take a look at inside. The interior is I'm not sure if this one is lined. I think this is the other side of the fabric. I'm not really sure, but this is how it looks inside. The interior doesn't have any pockets at all, and it only has this leather patch in here. It says 20th year anniversary celebration, and this one is made up in gold foil in it. For some reason, I prefer the blind stamp over the this foil heat stamp in here, and which is in gold as well. I think they're trying to match it with the hardware. So yeah, this is how it looks inside, and yes, this is functional. You could use you could put your air tags in here. You could put some lipstick or any little stuff, or probably like mint. But this one, I intend to use this as a bag charm only. So now I'm going to talk about my issues with this charm. Though they're so cute, they're adorable, I was very disappointed with its craftsmanship. I'm just going to lay this charm right here, and this side right here, the piping is a little bit lower compared to the right side, so you guys can see. So that when I lay it on the table, it's so obvious that they are not proportionate right here. So this one is lower, this one is a little bit higher over here, which is so obvious. And then when you look at the back, the piping right here is even worse. Look at that. So I was like thinking, should I ask for a replacement? Because I know I paid, I think this one is priced as $1,060 US. That's before tax, and I know it is pricey as, you know, as a bag charm. However, this is the only denim that I have for that collection. For the price that they're asking, at least the piping should at least be aligned. So with this little thing, with this mini thing, you could easily spot the every detail of it. And also another thing that bothers me with this is the interior. Right here, the interior seems to look like on this side, they're all messy. You could see those little guts from the piping, and they are so messy. I don't really like the look of it right here. I mean, it's the interior, it doesn't really matter. But because I have my Coach denim bag charm, and this one I got this for I think less than $50 US, and it is one of my most favorite. I always use this in my purses, and look how adorable she is. I just love the detailed, every detail of this. The craftsmanship for this are impeccable. The detailed right here on the side is leather, and also the handle is made up of similar to the vaqueta leather right here on the side, and then we have the denim all around it on the side. And then on top of that, I love the fact that this side right here, this one is actually the zipper were extended on the side corner, which allows you to open the purse wider. Well, I have the desiccant here. And then the interior for this is lined with fabric. It looks very neat and clean inside. That's because it was lined with fabric. And I wish they could have done that with Louis Vuitton, so you're not gonna see all the guts inside. So yeah, so I don't know. I mean, I was a little disappointed. That's because they are pricey, I must say. And this one is actually built sturdy. The denim that they used for this is it's thick, probably because of the lining. The stitching for this is perfect. The glazing right here, the piping in the side corner, which is also tonal, And then, yeah, I think this is so pretty. And I just didn't really want to compare them together because this one is a Takashi Murakami, but it is so hard for me not to, because this is one of my most favorite in my collection. And also, this is the comparison between the two right here. This is smaller than the Coach right here. And if you wanted to get the exact comparison, I have here, I have a key pouch here. So this is a key pouch in an azure, and let me show you the size comparison right here. So yeah, it is tiny. So this is the size comparison, just to give you a little bit of an idea right there. And then in comparison to the Coach, so yeah, this is smaller right here. And then, yeah, so that's the comparison. So I was a little bit confused about, I don't know, each time I use it. And those are the things that really bothers me, the imperfection, more than anything else, because I have here a $50 Coach, and this one is crafted beautifully. So yeah, look at this. She is stunning. I love it. I just love every detail of this. And when you come to think of it, with $50, I mean, I am not really expecting so much for its craftsmanship, but yes, this one it's stunning. So I have nothing else to say about this Coach charm, because I think she is perfect right here. And another thing that I've noticed about the Micro Speedy is the glazing. The glazing is more of like an orange color, so this one has a little bit of a different undertone compared to my Speedy bandolier right here. So this is the comparison. So this one is lighter compared to this. Yeah, I was very disappointed with this purchase, and I know this is one of the highly coveted pieces for the cherry collection. And as much as like loving those embroidered smiling cherries right there, I don't know, it's just, I could not really unsee those the side corner. Yeah, so anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.